My name is Jeff Schmid. I'm an Australian. I moved to the UK in 1987. I've got a broad technical background. About 10 years ago I got strongly into Agile, coaching the principles. What can you expect in the course? You can see the history of Agile, why it came about. We'll then go heavily into the Scrum and the Scrum framework. We'll then do Kanban and all the Kanban principles. We'll then compare the two, and from that we will look at the metrics so you can understand the visualization aspect of Agile. Leading on to that, we'll then touch on Agile project management, the principles, how people can have better conversations within their company with management. And then finally we'll end up with some of the psychological aspects of Agile, why it's important, how it works, and some of the pitfalls. And concluding all of that, I can guarantee you'll leave the course with an Agile mindset and a good strong vocabulary of Agile English words and idioms that will see you through.